Hi everyone, today I am going to show you all how to sew one of the most easiest patterns that I own. It's chic, it's modern, and you can dress it up however you want. You could wear it out to the club or you could wear it to the grocery store. It's one of the most versatile garments you can own. As always, links to the pattern are in the description below, and to be safe I did buy 3 yards of fabric. 4-way stretch fabric works perfect, but if you have 2-way stretch fabric, that's perfectly fine as well. So I'll start by folding the fabric in half, just like shown in the video. Cut 2 of the pattern on the fold as shown in the video. I'm not going to be showing you how to piece the pattern together because it's pretty self-explanatory, and the pattern itself has instructions in a document. Now we're going to lay both the pieces on top of each other, right sides together. And we're going to pin at the shoulders, side seams, and the crotch. Go ahead and finish the neckline and the armhole however you wish to finish them. I made my own binding, but you could use fold over binding if you have that. That was it, you guys. That's the final look. It looks pretty chic. You can dress it up by putting a belt, a nice hat, or if you're just at home, then you can just let loose and just have a nice flowy garment to wear around the house. As always, you guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any recommendation on future videos, I will really appreciate it if you drop them in the comments below as well.